Hello everyone, it's Nootan and welcome back to my channel. So it's been many days and I didn't make any video, so I thought let's have a talk with you and let's share some few tips in front of you so that you could grab a good command over English language. If you feel like that to grab a good command over English language you need much study, then I'm just saying this to you that you don't need much study. You don't have to do much study as to learn to speak in English. Okay, if you really want to explore yourself in spoken English, you need to do three kind of things. So I am sharing with you three kind of tips in front of you so that you could have a good command over English language without studying, because sometimes we don't feel like doing study. Sometimes we feel like it's enough of doing study and what to do to implement all those things in English language. So sometimes we feel like having fear, we feel like so much hesitating. So it's all because of you are not very well prepared that time. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you three kind of tips in front of you. Okay, so let's get started. The first one is to get an English job. You need to get an English job, and maybe it's not that much easy for you. Maybe you are not living in that state, English speaking state or countries. Maybe you don't have that much access so that you could get an English job. So here I'm just sharing it with you that when you indulge yourself in such job wherein you have to talk in English, you have to interact with other persons speaking in English, and speaking English is must there, and also you are bound to speak in English in that particular job. So that time you have to force yourself to talk in English anyhow, maybe busted English or broken English, but the fact is there in you have to talk in English, you have to interact with other person in English, and that is mandatory over there. So that's how you can make yourself to talk in English. You need to push yourself out from your comfort zone, and you have to talk in English therein. Okay, so that's how you can have a good command over English language. So this is so much important here, that you need to push yourself out from your comfort zone and indulge in that kind of circumstances in which you have to respond or reply something in English. So getting an English job will definitely going to get you results so much in the terms of learning English language. And the second one is teach somebody, and this I have already spoken with you in my previous video, that if you find somebody to whom you can do your speaking practicing, or if anybody who is junior to you, and it could be anyone like your friend, your close neighbor, any one of your relatives. Okay, so there you can also try to teach them something in English. It could be vocabularies in English, word meanings in English, and the explanation something in English also, grammar parts, anything. Take one grammar rule and try to make them understand in English. So you need to find somebody and just teach them anything in English. There you have to talk in English. When you talk in English while teaching them, they will also get inspired by seeing you talking in English. They will also get encouraged and try to talk in English, try to respond something in English to you. So there you definitely going to enhance your way of speaking in English. So number third is become a YouTuber. If you really want to speak English and want to have a good command over English language, then I would just recommend you that you need to become a YouTuber and try to do your vlogging. Okay, where you have to say or describe something in English, and day to day you have to do this. Okay, like you need to make a video of your own or anything. therein you have to narrate all the things in English, and day to day you have to do this, and you have to upload those videos on YouTube on a daily basis, maybe if it is convenient for you. There you are definitely going to enhance your way of speaking in English, because it's a daily job, meaning you have to do it on a every single day, like making your own videos and uploading it on YouTube. And you can also get a lot of views if you are lucky enough. You are going to get a lot of views, and maybe this will encourage you to make more and more videos. But the condition is that you need to talk in English, whatever English you are speaking. Like you are talking something in English, but it's a busted or broken English, it's completely okay. The main thing is that you are trying over there, like talking or narrating things in English, narrating your surroundings in English, and making your own videos talking in English. That matters a lot. So it's all depends on you, on your efforts. Okay, so this will going to encourage you to talk more and more in English. So these are three tips you can follow, and do your lots of things without doing lots of study, and get a good command over English language so easily, without doing much study. So it will going to get you results so soon. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.